Hello my dear students, today we are going to see about grafting and different methods of grafting. Grafting is a technique of connecting two stem pods of two different plants so that they continue to grow into one plant. The part of the plant which is in contact with the soil is called stalk, and the part of the plant which is used for grafting is called scion. This method can be used only in eustelic condition with the cambium between xylem and phloem of the vascular bundles. What is eustelic condition? When the vascular bundles are arranged in the form of a regular ring just around the pith, as in the case of most of the dicot plants, that is called eustelic condition. This method of grafting can be followed in citrus, mango plant and apple plant. What are the different types of grafting? There are several types of grafting followed based on the method of uniting the scion and the stalk. They are number 1, bud grafting, number 2, approach grafting, number 3, trunk grafting, number 4, crown grafting, and number 5, wedge grafting. First method is bud grafting. What is a bud grafting? When a bud is selected from the scion of one plant and that is inserted and that is used for grafting with the stalk of one plant, that is bud grafting. During bud grafting, a T-shaped cut is made. This is the stalk. This is bud grafting method. In the bud grafting, stalk is selected. This is the stalk. What is the stalk? The part of the plant which is in contact with the soil. The part of the plant which is rooted in the soil, that is called stalk. And the part of the plant which is used for grafting is called scion. Scion may be a branch of a superior quality plant that is going to graft with the stalk. In the case of bud grafting, the stalk is selected, and in the stalk a T-shaped cut is made. This is the T-shaped cut, T-shaped incision, and a bud is selected from another superior quality plant and that is inserted in the T-shaped cut and properly bandaged. This part is bandaged properly with a tap, so the bud grow into a new plant. This is the method of bud grafting. Here, bud is used as a scion, bud scion. The second method is approach grafting. In approach grafting, both stalk and scion are having the same diameter and they are rooted in the soil. This is also rooted in the soil of the pot, and the scion is rooted in the soil. Both are rooted in the soil. But at the same time, care should be taken. Both stalk and scion are having same thickness, same diameter. A small piece is cut in stalk and scion, and that is united at the cut part tightly with a tap. After 1 or 4 weeks, the tip of the stalk and the base of the scion cut off and detached, and that is grown in a separate pot. So that is the method followed in approach grafting. And the next one is trunk grafting. Here also in trunk grafting, both stalk and scion are having the same thickness. Here the both stalk and scion are cut obliquely at the end in such a way scion is fit into the stalk. They are tied together tightly with a tap, and that is the trunk grafting. This is the trunk grafting. Both are having, this is the stalk and this is the scion. Both are having the same diameter. Oblique cut is made at the tip of the scion and also at the tip of the stalk. Both are united and tied tightly with a tap. So that will grow into a new superior quality plant. The next one, wedge grafting. This is the wedge grafting. In the wedge grafting, a slit is made in the stalk. Slit is made in the stalk. A twig of scion inserted in the slit of the stalk and fixed in a vertical position using graft wax. So that is the method followed. Here the cambium of the scion and the stalk will be united or joined together. The next one is ground grafting. This is the ground grafting. Here the stalk is large in size. This is the large in size, having large diameter. Many scions are selected, cut into wedge shape at the base. The scion inserted on the slits are cleft on the size of the stalk, fixed in a position using graft wax, bandaged with tap or wax. So this is the stalk having large diameter. At the periphery of the stalk, several clipped. Clipped means slits opening. There are several cut made. According to the cut made in the stalk, several scions are selected. Each one is fitted with the clipped or slits and bandaged with a wax or tap. So each one grow into a new plant separately. So that is the ground graft. That's all today's topic.